So friends, if you are wondering how to do self transfer or how to transfer money from your one bank account to another bank account using Amazon Pay, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply open Amazon application in your mobile phone, and it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now, once you open Amazon, just simply select Amazon Pay option over here at the top, or else you can just simply go to menu option and you can select Amazon Pay. Now, tap on Amazon Pay Home over here and you will be taken to this page. You get multiple options on this page, but you have to select self transfer option in money transfer. So, if you tap on self transfer, it will show all the accounts which you have added in Amazon application. Now, in your case, if you have added only one bank account in Amazon Pay UPI, then you will be able to see only one account. But in order to do self transfer, you need two accounts over here. So if you want to add another bank account, you have that option over here. You can simply tap on add bank account. Now it is asking me to just switch to mobile data, but all you have to do is just simply select the bank and it will automatically complete the verification process, and later on you just need to enter the card details to complete the verification, and once it is done, the account will be shown over here. Now on this self transfer page, what it is asking is it is asking me to select the account in which I want the amount to be credited. So I am going to select IDFC Bank over here for now. Select continue. Now it is asking me to enter the amount. Just for example purpose, I am going to select 1000 rupees for now. You can add message if you want to. Tap on continue, and on this particular page you need to select the account from which you want the amount to be debited. Now in my case, I want to select Kotak account, so I have selected that. Tap on pay option, enter the 6-digit UPI pin and tap on submit option to complete the transaction. I have entered the UPI pin. Let's tap on submit option, and now you can see payment is successful. If you tap on view details, you can check out the UPI ID to which the amount is paid. You can also check out the UPI ID or bank over here from which the amount was debited, and again you can check out bank reference ID, Amazon reference ID and all. You can also check out the date and time. So that's how simple it is to self transfer or to transfer money from your one account to another account in Amazon Pay application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.